So we're working on mixed numbers and improper fractions, and remember that a mixed number is a whole number with a fractional part, like 1.5. So our whole number is 1, and our fraction piece is 1/2. And that would look like if we have one whole rectangle and then half of another. 1 whole and a half is a mixed number. Now an improper fraction is a fraction that has a numerator larger than the denominator, such as 3/2. My numerator is larger than my denominator. Now this still looks like, if I drew my picture, I have 2 pieces because this denominator tells me how many pieces to have in each square. If I have 3 out of the 2 pieces colored, it would look like this. 1, 2, 3 pieces colored, which is still the same as 1.5. And we'll go over how to change them in a minute. Here we're going to change this improper fraction to a mixed number, Adelina. The first step is to divide. We're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. So my numerator goes inside the box and my denominator goes outside. We're going to take these 10 pieces, divide them into 4s. So I know that 4 goes into 10 twice. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Do my subtraction. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Now, here's where it gets tricky. This 2 right here becomes my whole number. I'm going to rewrite 10/4. This 2 up here becomes my whole number. This 2 here is going to become my numerator, and the 4 stays as the denominator. So this is 2 2/4. Here's another example, 3/2. This is the example from the first slide. I'm going to divide the 3 by the 2. I know the 2 goes into 3 once. 1 times 2 is 2. And do my subtraction, I end up with 1. This one right here becomes my whole number. This one right here becomes my new numerator. And my 2 stays as the denominator. So 3/2 is equal to 1.5. Now we're going to take a mixed number, change it into an improper fraction. And there's a fun little algorithm to do with this, okay? What we're going to do when we're changing improper fractions to mixed numbers, we divide. When we change mixed numbers to improper fractions, we multiply. So we are going to take the denominator 4, multiply it by my whole number 2, and then add my numerator 3. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Oops. So my improper fraction is 11/4. All right, here's another example. Here's my 1.5 example. Multiply, add. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 3/2.
3 times 8. It is equal 24. 8 plus 3 equals 27.
Okay. Oop, how come the 3 is there? Does the 3 need to be there?
No.
Nope, okay.
27.
Where does the 27 go?
The 8 goes there.
Oop.
The 8 goes on the bottom.
The 8 goes on the bottom. Okay.
Out.
And the 27 goes where?
The 27 goes here.
Okay. Oops. Go ahead. So when you multiply and add, the answer goes on the top and the 8 stays on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Okay, what happens up here?
What? Hell.
What happens up here?
Now 4 divided by 5.
4 divided by 5 or 5 divided by 4? Show me.
4
What does it look like?
divided by 5.
Show me what it looks like.
If 5 divided by
Okay, actually it's the other way around. Okay, because, yeah, go ahead. We're going to take 5 and break it up into 4 pieces, okay? How much do you have?
I have 5.
How many times is 4 going to 5?
1.
Good.
And set 5 minus 4 equals 1.
Okay.
And it's 1 and 1/4.
Good job.